How to add background music to Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can add music to Instagram Reel. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your preferred account. From your home page, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom and then tap on the plus icon. Once you are here, again navigate to this menu bar at the bottom, swipe that to your left and then select Reel. Now, you can either record a reel by tapping on the camera and then recording. If not, if you already have a video in your gallery, then you can choose one from your gallery. So once you have selected your video, in order to add background music, tap on this edit video at the bottom left corner, or you can simply tap on this audio icon from this interface. Now from this library, you can search for the music using the search bar. If not, you can go with the one that is suggested right here. If you want to play the music, tap on this play icon. And if you want to add the music, tap and select the music. Now from this timeline, select the part of the song that you want to add. Once you're done selecting, tap on the done at the top right corner. Now tap on next, and then you can post this reel with the added music on the Instagram. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.